Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Full Stack AI. I'm your host, Seb Salois, the guy behind Full Stack AI and Brigade Web. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you all. Apple just dropped a bombshell with their latest innovation, Apple Intelligence. This isn't just another update, it's a game changer for iPhones, iPads, and Macs. So let's get into it. All right, so picture this. Apple Intelligence sounds fancy, right? But what is it exactly? It's Apple's new personal intelligence system that combines generative models with personal context. Basically, it means your devices are getting a whole lot smarter and more helpful. This new system is baked right into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia, making your everyday tasks a breeze. Tim Cook, the big guy at Apple, said it best. Our unique approach combines generative AI with a user's personal context to deliver truly helpful intelligence. This is AI as only Apple can deliver it. And honestly, from what I've seen, he's spot on. Now let's talk privacy. Apple has always been big on this, and Apple Intelligence is no exception. They've introduced something called private cloud compute. What does that mean for you? Well, it means your data is processed securely on your device or on Apple's own servers, so you get the power of the cloud without compromising your privacy. Imagine needing some serious processing power for a task. Apple Intelligence can tap into bigger models on Apple's servers, but your data stays safe and private. This is a huge step forward in making AI both powerful and secure. Next up, language understanding. Apple Intelligence is bringing some amazing new tools to help you write better, faster, and with more confidence. Whether you're drafting an email, taking notes, or writing a blog post, these tools have got you covered. There's a proofread feature that checks your grammar and word choice, giving you suggestions and explanations. Then there's rewrite, which offers different versions of your text to suit your tone and audience. And my favorite, summarize, which can take a long piece of text and break it down into easy to digest bullet points or paragraphs. It's like having your own personal editor right on your device. Emails can be a nightmare, right? Not anymore. With Apple Intelligence, your inbox is getting a serious upgrade. Priority messages highlight urgent emails at the top so you never miss that important invite or boarding pass. You'll also get email summaries without even opening the message, and Smart Reply will suggest quick responses based on the content. Notifications are smarter too. Priority. Notifications surface the most important alerts, and the Reduce Interruptions feature minimizes distractions, only letting through the notifications that need immediate attention. It's all about keeping you focused on what matters most. Now, for those who love taking notes or recording calls, Apple Intelligence brings some neat tricks. You can record, transcribe, and summarize audio right in the notes and phone apps. Perfect for capturing those key points from meetings or calls without lifting a finger. And then there's Image Playground. This tool lets you create fun images in styles like animation, illustration, or sketch. You can use it in messages, notes, and even third-party apps. It's a fantastic way to add a creative touch to your communication. Let's talk about Genmoji. This is taking emojis to a whole new level. Just type a description and bam, you've got a custom Genmoji. You can create Genmojis of your friends and family too, based on their photos. These can be added to messages or used as stickers and reactions. It's a fun way to personalize your conversations. And the Photos app, it's getting smarter too. You can search for photos using natural language like Maya skateboarding in a tie-dye shirt. There's a cleanup tool that removes distracting objects from your photos, and memories that create personalized storylines from your pics and videos, complete with music suggestions from Apple Music. Siri is also stepping up its game with Apple Intelligence. It's more intuitive, understands context better, and can handle more complex tasks. You can type or speak to Siri, and it will follow along even if you stumble over your words. Siri can now take hundreds of new actions across apps, making it more helpful than ever. For example, Siri can now add an address received in a message directly to a contact card or find a specific article from your reading list. Siri can even locate and play a podcast episode recommended by a friend without the user having to remember where the recommendation came from. These enhancements make Siri more versatile and helpful in everyday tasks. And here's a cherry on top. Apple is integrating ChatGPT into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. With your permission, Siri can tap into ChatGPT's knowledge to provide detailed answers and content generation. Privacy is still a top priority, with Apple ensuring your data stays secure and your IP address is obscured. This integration means you get the best of both worlds. Apple's privacy and security combined with ChatGPT's powerful AI capabilities. It's a game changer for sure. So when can you get your hands on Apple Intelligence? It's rolling out in beta as part of iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia this fall. Initially in US English, it'll be available on the iPhone 15 Pro, iPad, and Macs with M1 and later. For more details, check out apple.com, Apple Intelligence. That's it for today's episode of Full Stack AI. I hope you're as pumped as I am about Apple Intelligence. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of AI. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and visit our website at fullstackai.co for more content. I'm your host, Seb, and thanks for listening. Catch you next time.